generate caption. Let me see whether it creates a good caption or not. So you can see M is now capital. Correct the spelling as well. This is a caption. It has provided me good hashtag as well. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can use Emergent.sh or Emergent AI to build any SaaS product. So I will build a landing page today. I will make a caption, AI caption creator. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to get a account with Emergent. You can sign up with your email ID. Then you can go to ChatGPT or Gemini and create a prompt for it. So I created a prompt. This is a prompt. So I want to create a caption creator. Just copy this prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. And after that, just enter it, and it within a few seconds or minute, it will create an app for you. After that, I have some credit as well, which I can use to deploy it, and I will show you live how to deploy it and how to make it work. So it will ask some questions like this. If you do not understand anything, do one thing. You can take a screenshot and paste it to ChatGPT only. So if you have credits, then you can use this option. It is saying Gemini 3 Flash. If you do not have credit, then you can use this thing, or you can use pre-made. So let me click this one, Gemini 3 Flash. Click on next. So call to action buttons, generate free caption. What should I do? Scroll live demo or link to an external link. Click on this option, scroll the live demo. Click on that. Click on this no price, just feature list. So you need to answer this question to help the agent to create it. And if you want any free credits to use this application, you can comment below. I will share you referral and you will get free credits, and you can use this Emergent tool for a designing purpose. So you can make sure to comment me, and then I will share it with you, this referral link. Then you can get the free credits to try it out. So you can see it is automatically adding LLM key of Emergent. So because I have choose this, you can choose other options as well if you do not have any credits. So you can use free one as well. So I have credit, so that's why I selected this. So if you have any free API keys somewhere, so you can use the free API keys as well. Make sure to read this thing because it will give you understanding of how it is making. So it is adding the key. API key is the most important thing nowadays in this machine learning and app creation. So you need to get API key, which is not free, and some people are provided free as well. So you need to keep this thing in mind and use API key very carefully because they are paid keys. So you can see now my app is live. I will just need to open this link. So this is the link. You can see which open this link as well, caption -gen stagging.emergent.host. So you can try it for free as well. You can enter any. I just entered this thing and it created beautiful caption for me for my Instagram. The best part of this caption creator is that it takes care of everything and it is very powerful. So let me create another caption. So I just enter traveling in Manali with family. So Manali M should be capital. So let me see whether it correct this or not. I need to select the category travel. Tone should be casual, professional, funny, or inspirational. Long, short, you can see medium, and click on generate caption. Let me see whether it creates a good caption or not. So you can see M is now capital. Correct the spelling as well. This is a caption. It has provided me good hashtag as well. So this is a good tool which I have created. So it is working fine. One thing I can do more changes in this tool. You can see these are the paid tools as well, like unlimited caption, advanced hashtagging. These are some paid plans as well. So it is added so many things. You can see FAQ and other things are also added by the tool Emergent. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just turn the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.